Now at 5, breaking news on the flu front. This afternoon, we learned the flu has claimed the life of a child in Connecticut. Channel 3's Roger Susanna is joining us now with what we know. Roger?
Well, Denise, this is the first flu death of a young person here in Connecticut this season. We don't know a whole lot about the victim because the Department of Health has not released much information due to privacy reasons, so we don't know their age, their gender, or even where they're from. But doctors say there are simple steps we all can take to protect our families. Today's tragic announcement that a Connecticut child died from influenza has saddened the entire medical community. But Dr. Nicholas Bennett, who serves as the Director of Infectious Diseases at Connecticut Children's Medical Center, says unfortunately it's not shocking.
This is an unfortunate outcome, but every year nationally we see 100 or so kids die from influenza.
Dr. Bennett says the large majority of children who die from influenza have not been vaccinated. So if your kids haven't received a flu shot yet, take action.
Get your children immunized because the vaccine does protect against influenza to a significant extent. It's not perfect, but it does provide some protection and it reduces the severity of symptoms.
Dr. Bennett says the stakes are especially high for children because so many potentially sick young people congregate together every day at school.
If flu gets into a classroom setting, it's pretty easy to spread around. It's spread by respiratory droplets, so coughing, sneezing, as well as through contact.
If you think someone in your life could be affected, see a doctor right away.
The only way to really tell is to get the flu test, and that's what some people will do. The earlier you can test, the better, because we know that most people will benefit from treatment if you treat them earlier rather than waiting 3 or 4 days.
And 3 Connecticut children passed away from the flu last year, and since 2005, 13 children have passed away from the flu. Roger Suzanne in Channel 3 Eyewitness News.